How to increase PHP's upload max file size value, using CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Go to the Extra Features section, and click Select PHP version. Click the Options menu. If this Options page shows the warning message, related to the PHP native version, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. Scroll down. The maximum size of an uploaded file is 2 MB. Change the size as per your requirements. Success! The upload max file size value has increased. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.